Do you know the amazing nutrient that can profoundly enhance the health and effectivity of your mitochondria? Stay tuned to learn about this amazing component you should start taking right now. Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your #1 trusted information source for weight loss, health, and wellness insights. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that can revolutionize your health by enhancing your cellular powerhouses. Your mitochondria. We'll explore how you can achieve healthier mitochondria using urolithin A. Let's get started. What are mitochondria? Mitochondria are often referred to as the powerhouses of the cell. These tiny organelles are found in nearly every cell in your body and are responsible for producing energy in the form of adenosine triphosphate, also known as ATP. Think of ATP as the energy currency of the cell, fueling everything from muscle contraction to nerve impulses. How do mitochondria work? Mitochondria generate energy through a process called cellular respiration. This process involves converting nutrients from the food you eat into ATP. It consists of 3 main stages: glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, which is also known as the citric acid cycle, and the electron transport chain. During these stages, glucose and other nutrients are broken down and their energy is captured in the form of ATP. This energy is then used to power various cellular functions. What happens if you have unhealthy mitochondria? When mitochondria are unhealthy, your body's energy production is compromised. This can lead to a host of problems. You might experience chronic fatigue, muscle weakness, and cognitive decline. Unhealthy mitochondria are also linked to more serious conditions such as neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's, cardiovascular diseases, and metabolic disorders like diabetes. Essentially, when your mitochondria don't function properly, your entire body suffers. What supplement helps to improve mitochondrial health? Use this for better mitochondria now. To maintain and enhance mitochondrial health, a promising supplement known as urolithin A has gained attention in the scientific community. Let's delve into what urolithin A is and how it can benefit your mitochondria. What is urolithin A? Urolithin A is a natural compound that is produced in the gut when you consume foods containing L-glutanins such as pomegranates, berries, and nuts. However, not everyone's gut microbiota can efficiently convert L-glutanins into urolithin A. This is where urolithin A supplements come into play. How does urolithin work? Urolithin A enhances mitochondrial health by promoting a process called mitophagy. Mitophagy is the selective degradation of damaged or dysfunctional mitochondria, allowing for the recycling of their components to form new, healthy mitochondria. By clearing out the old and damaged mitochondria, urolithin A ensures that your cells operate more efficiently, leading to improved energy levels and overall health. Other effects of urolithin A are increased mitochondrial biogenesis. Mitochondrial biogenesis refers to the process by which new mitochondria are formed within the cell. Urolithin A has been shown to stimulate mitochondrial biogenesis, increasing the overall number of mitochondria and enhancing cellular energy capacity. This is particularly beneficial for muscle cells and other high-energy demand tissues. Improved muscle function. Studies have demonstrated that urolithin A can improve muscle strength and endurance by enhancing mitochondrial function. This is especially relevant for aging populations, where mitochondrial decline is a significant contributor to muscle weakness and reduced physical performance. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Urolithin A exhibits anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which help protect mitochondria from oxidative stress and inflammation. By reducing oxidative damage, urolithin A supports mitochondrial integrity and function. Cellular energy metabolism. By promoting more efficient mitochondrial function, urolithin A helps optimize cellular energy metabolism. This means improved energy levels and endurance, contributing to overall vitality and well-being. How to enhance urolithin A? To maximize the benefits of urolithin A, consider combining it with a healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise, a healthy food plan rich in antioxidants, also adequate sleep can enhance its effects. Additionally, maintaining a healthy gut microbiota through probiotics and prebiotics can improve the natural production of urolithin A from dietary sources. Does urolithin have side effects? Studies have shown that urolithin A is safe and well tolerated. However, as with any supplement, it's important to start with the recommended dose and consult with your healthcare professional. especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking other medications. What foods have urolithin A? While urolithin itself is not found in foods, its precursors, L-tannins, are abundant in certain foods. Pomegranates are the richest source, but you can also find them in strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, and walnuts. Consuming these foods can help your body naturally produce urolithin A. Is there a urolithin A supplement? Yes. The optimal dosage of urolithin supplements can vary based on individual needs and health status. Typically, dosages in clinical studies range from 250 mg to 500 mg per day. Always follow the dosage instructions on the supplement label or as advised by your healthcare provider. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, mitochondria play a crucial role in our overall health by acting as the powerhouses of our cells. They produce energy in the form of ATP, which is essential for various cellular functions. When our mitochondria are healthy, we feel energetic and our bodily functions operate smoothly. However, when mitochondria become damaged or dysfunctional, it can lead to a myriad of health issues, including chronic fatigue, muscle weakness, and even serious diseases like neurodegenerative disorders and metabolic syndromes. Therefore, maintaining mitochondrial health is vital for our well-being. One effective way to enhance mitochondrial health is through the use of urolithin A, a natural compound derived from foods rich in L-tannins. These foods include pomegranates, berries, and nuts. Unfortunately, not everyone's gut microbiota can convert L-tannins into urolithin efficiently. This is where urolithin supplements come in, providing a direct source of this beneficial compound. Urolithin A works by promoting mitophagy, the process through which damaged mitochondria are selectively degraded and recycled. This ensures that cells can replace dysfunctional mitochondria with new, healthy ones, improving overall cellular efficiency and energy production. As a result, individuals who incorporate urolithin A into their routine may experience enhanced energy levels, better physical performance, and improved overall health. Enhancing the effects of urolithin A involves adopting a holistic approach to health. Combining urolithin supplementation with a healthy lifestyle can maximize its benefits. Regular exercise, for instance, boosts mitochondrial function and supports the body's natural processes of cellular repair and renewal. A healthy food plan rich in antioxidants helps protect mitochondria from oxidative stress, while adequate sleep allows the body to repair and rejuvenate itself. Moreover, maintaining a healthy gut microbiota is essential for the natural production of urolithin A from dietary sources. Consuming probiotics and prebiotics can support a diverse and balanced gut flora, enhancing the body's ability to convert L-tannins into urolithin A. In terms of safety, urolithin A has been shown to be safe in clinical studies. While it is safe, it is always advisable to start with the recommended dosage and consult with your trusted healthcare professional, particularly for individuals with pre-existing health conditions or those taking other medications. This ensures that the supplement is used effectively and safely. In addition to urolithin A supplementation, individuals can naturally boost their urolithin A levels by consuming foods high in L-tannins. Pomegranates are particularly rich in these compounds, but other sources such as strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, and walnuts also contribute. By incorporating these foods into their diet, individuals can support their body's production of urolithin A, enhancing mitochondrial health naturally. The optimal dosage of urolithin A supplements varies based on individual needs. Clinical studies typically use dosages ranging from 250 mg to 500 mg per day. It is important to follow the dosage instructions provided on the supplement label or as advised by your doctor to achieve the best results. Overall, focusing on mitochondrial health through the use of urolithin A, combined with a healthy lifestyle, can lead to significant improvements in energy levels, physical performance, and overall well-being. By understanding the importance of mitochondria and the benefits of urolithin A, individuals can take proactive steps towards better health and a more energetic life. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even more content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients. Stay consistent with your training and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.